Let's see these trainers' Pokemons. So let's start with Lens. Lens is a champion and the leader and the Pokemon trainer from Kanto and Johto region. And Lens have many types of many great Pokemons in his team. And also he have great battle IQ for his team and he is a champion from Johto region. He have some good and the best Pokemons, but he is the one of the best Pokemon is Dragonite and Gyarados. And the Gyarados is not normal; it's a red Gyarados. So let's see his team step by step. And now Lens Pokemon all evolved, and now they are mega evolving in their form. Now Lens have Gyarados, Garchomp, Blastoise, Salamence, Hydreigon, Dragonite, and now all are evolving in Mega Evolution. And now Lens have Mega Gyarados, Mega Garchomp, Mega Blastoise, Mega Salamence, Mega Hydreigon, and last Mega Dragonite also. Okay, then let's see Lens top 4 best Mega Pokemon for his Pokemon team. The first will be Gyarados, Mega Gyarados, and the second will be Mega Garchomp, and the third will be Mega Hydreigon, and the fourth one will be Mega Dragonite. Let's see clear Pokemon team for Mega Evolution, and all we know he is a gym leader from Blackthorn Gym, and especially she is known for Dragon type Pokemon and Water type Pokemon for his team. Also, she have best and the good Pokemon in her team. Let's see her team step by step. And now clear Pokemon evolving in their second and the final form. And now clear have Gyarados, Dragonite, Lapras, and also some Pokemon evolving in Mega Evolution. And now we can see Mega Lapras, Mega Gyarados, Mega Alakazam, and now Mega Dragonite also evolved, and now Mega Salamence also, Mega Gudra, and all the Pokemon evolved. So okay, then let's see clear top 4 best Mega Pokemon for her team. So obviously the first Pokemon will be Mega Dragonite, second will be Mega Gyarados, third will be Mega Lapras, and the fourth will be Mega Alakazam. So okay, then let's see our heroes James all Mega Evolution Pokemon team for his team. And in the journey of chasing Ash and his friend for Pikachu, he caught many Pokemons. Some are weak and some are very powerful. And also, if you are a OG fan, then you know he is a billionaire. Also, he have many Pokemon in his team, which decide his best Pokemon team. So let's see his team step by step. And now James have Mega Weezing, Mega Chimecho, and other Pokemon evolving in their second and the final evolution. And now James have Mega Gyarados, Mega Salamence, and Mega Hydreigon, Mega Chimchar. And now this is the final form for his Pokemon team. So okay, then let's see his best top 4 Pokemons. So the first Pokemon will be Mega Weezing, obviously. Second Pokemon Mega Chinchou. What is his name? And the third Pokemon will be Mega Hydreigon, and the fourth one will be Mega Marian. So okay, then let's see our hero Ash Ketchum best top for 6 Pokemon for Mega Evolution. And all we know that Ash team have many Pokemons who can achieve Mega Evolutions and become a beast for his team, but he didn't evolve in Mega Evolution all of them. But we will evolve now. Ash have Charmeleon, Grovyle, Squirtle, Wartortle, Lucario, Chimchar, and Dragonair, and all the Pokemon evolving in second and the final evolution form. So let's see his team step by step. And now all are evolved in second and the final form. And now we can see Charizard into Mega Charizard, Mega Blastoise, Mega Sceptile, Mega Infernape, Mega Lucario, and the final Mega Dragonite. So okay, then let's see as top 4 best Pokemon for his Mega team. So obviously the first Pokemon will be Mega Charizard X, and the second will be Mega Sceptile, and the third will be one Mega Lucario, and the fourth will be Mega Infernape.